Hey there! If you're running a CDL job training business in 2025, you already know that demand is high. The trucking industry is constantly looking for new drivers, and the opportunities for training programs are bigger than ever. But here's the thing, having a great training program isn't enough anymore. You might be offering top-notch instruction, job placement, and even flexible payment options. But if your potential clients aren't finding you online, or if they aren't converting when they do, then you're leaving money on the table every single day. Let's face it, people today don't wait around. They don't scroll through pages looking for who to call. They want simple, fast, and trustable. So how do you get more clients in this new digital world? Let's break it down. Step 1. Stop relying only on word of mouth. Yes, referrals are powerful, but if you're waiting for your past students to bring their friends, you're slowing your growth. You need a system that brings in leads every day without you chasing them. That's where a sales funnel comes in. A sales funnel is not just a website. It's a smart tool that takes a visitor and turns them into a paying client automatically. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard or spend thousands to get this. That's why tools like funnelfreedom.io are game changers for CDL training businesses. More on that in a second. Step 2. Build an offer that speaks directly to your audience. When someone lands on your page, they should instantly know what you offer, how it benefits them, and what to do next. No fluff, no confusion, just results. Your offer might be something like, train in 4 weeks, get hired fast, flexible payments available. Short, direct, and outcome-focused. Now ask yourself, is that message currently visible the moment someone clicks your ad or visits your page? If not, you're losing attention and business. Step 3. Capture leads fast. Most people won't enroll on the first visit. But if you collect their name, email, or phone number, you can follow up. With tools like funnelfreedom.io, you can set up forms that capture lead info, automatically send them info about your program, even let them book a consultation or training session right away. Imagine, someone clicks your ad at 9 p.m. They fill in their name and phone number. Your system replies instantly, shares your brochure, and invites them to book a call for tomorrow morning. That's speed, that's automation, and that's how businesses win in 2025. Step 4. Automate follow-up. Follow-up is where most businesses fail. You might be busy teaching, on the road, or not even near your phone, but your system should still be working. That's why automation tools are so important. With a system like funnelfreedom.io, every lead is added to your database. They get automated texts, emails, reminders, all without you lifting a finger. You're no longer chasing leads. Your system is doing it for you. Step 5. Track, learn, improve. The best businesses don't just launch something and forget it. They track what works. How many people clicked your link? How many filled out the form? How many booked a call? With a smart funnel system, you see all of this. And the best part? You can adjust your message, timing, or offer and instantly see results. Let me tell you about a real example. One CDL school in Texas was getting 5 to 7 students a month. They started using a simple sales funnel through funnelfreedom.io. Within 3 months, they were averaging 18 new enrollments per month. No extra staff, no crazy ad spend, just a clear system that brought in leads and followed up fast. That's the power of doing things smart, not hard. And here's the truth most business owners don't hear. You don't need a big website. You need one page, one offer, and one system that runs every day. So if you're still relying on calls, paper forms, or DMs, it's time to level up. Go check out funnelfreedom.io. It's built for people like you, training centers, coaches, consultants who need more clients but don't want to spend all day online. Set it up once, let it run, and watch your enrollments grow. Closing. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back next week with another smart strategy to grow your service business fast. Until then, train smart, automate wisely, and get the clients you deserve.